Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you are connected to CarPlay, you have entered your destination, and suddenly the map goes blank. Your screen is just totally empty, no roads, no route, nothing. This is a known bug that started appearing after recent Apple iOS updates, and it's especially common with wireless CarPlay connection. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix the blank map on CarPlay in Waze. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, start your route before connection. This is a proven workaround for the blank map bug. Before you plug your phone into your car, open Waze on your phone and start navigating to your destination. Once the route is active, connect to CarPlay. The map should appear normally. Then you can easily restart your car's head hunt or head unit. If you are already connected and the map goes blank, restarting your car's system can fix the issue. Turn your car off and on again, or even reboot the head unit if it has a reset option. Right now, go ahead and look if there is any update available for Waze. Apple's iOS updates are causing this problem, but Waze is actually working on a fix. The latest version of the Waze app may have resolved the issue. Make sure you are on the most current version. And also check for iOS updates. Since the blank map issue is tied to Apple software updates, check if a newer iOS version is available that might address the problem. Also, go ahead and try basically using a cable connection. That would do you good as well. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.